Hello everybody, we're back again. This time we're going to use a little bit of Google Translate. So we're going to go up and push the little camera button next to the microphone so we can learn how to read Japanese. After you push the camera button, you'll want to translate. Just push the center of the camera, hold it up on what you want to have translated. Take a picture of it. And alakazam, hit the translate button, Japanese to English. And now you can read You get the picture. Let's try something different. Hit the old camera button again. Let's see what this says. Hit translate. Lift the lid of the dump switch, press the up button. Pretty simple. Push up, push down. Perfect. Well, that's how easy it is, people. Now you can officially read Japanese. Probably 2% of America that had no clue it was that easy to tap a couple buttons and translate from Japanese to English. Very handy. But once again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.